Cooper and I, we have our limit. Got a couple roosters, but it looks like Cooper's already on to another one. So I'm just gonna take a video. It's kind of a rare opportunity for you guys to watch him work. So just be quiet and you can watch. Whoa. Cooper, whoa. Whoa. Yeah, I just saw the bird. It looks like it's another rooster. It's moving in the cover in the end. I don't know if you guys can see it, but what I've done here is I woke him up. Whoa. I'll try to get the bird to hold, and I'll go in and I'll flush it for him. And normally I would shoot, but can't take video and shoot at the same time, even if it's just a shot in the air. Besides that, it's kind of hard to take video and shoot at the same time. So we'll just let it fly. Cooper will deal with it. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Okay. So I just saw the bird. It's in this hole right here. It ran back into the sticker bushes. See, he's on point right here. It's here somewhere. Find it. He's on point in the sticker bushes. The only problem now is I have no way to flush the bird. Nor do I think it's gonna flush, because there's probably a tunnel going through there. This is intense. My heart is pounding. Luckily, it's so thick that I can walk on it. I don't really like this. I was hoping to get it to fly for you guys, but I don't want Cooper to get hurt getting torn up by sticker bushes either. So it's going to be difficult to get him off of it, though. It always is. You know, he wants that bird in his mouth. He wants that reward. feed that prey drive that they have. There it goes. There it goes. Good boy. No bird. No bird. Good boy. There you go. So that was it. You guys got to watch Cooper work. Cooper, come on, bud. No bird. And I hope he gets out of there okay without getting too torn up. There he comes. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. And that's what he loves. That's why we do it, folks. He's ready to go find another one.